नहीं, वी आर, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ कमेंट इवन बिफोर, मैं पहले ही बोल चुका हूँ कि हम लाइक माइंडेड जो गोवा के अंदर काम किए हैं, गोवा के साथ सालों साल काम किए हैं, और गोवा लोगों के साथ इधर जान पहचान है, और जो सेक्युलर फिलॉसफी में विश्वास रखते हैं, उनके साथ हम बात करने के लिए तैयार है और बातचीत भी कर रहे हैं। और कांग्रेस लीडरशिप भी हमको एडवाइज्ड अस कि आप लाइक माइंडेड ग्रुप्स और लाइक माइंडेड पार्टीज और लाइक माइंडेड सपोर्टर्स के साथ आप बातचीत करके आप फाइनलाइज कीजिए, क्योंकि इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा वो करने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी तैयार है। सी, ऑल दीज थिंग्स ओनली हैपन जब इलेक्शन आता है, वही जब ही ये सब होता है ना, क्योंकि सब लोग वेट करते हैं क्या है सिचुएशन और क्या माहौल क्या है, सब इसी टाइम पर सब होता है। तो वी डिड हैव सम इनफॉर्मल अलायंसेस ड्यूरिंग द म्यूनसिपैलिटी, वो लोकल म्यूनसिपैलिटीज़ के ऊपर हम छोड़े थे कि आप लोकल के साथ आप जो भी अलायंस करना चाहते हैं उनको छोड़े थे हम। लेकिन नाउ इट्स अ स्टेट सब्जेक्ट, सो हम सब बातचीत करके we will finalize.
This is the first time at least you have spoken openly saying that we are ready to talk.
No. I told even last time also that we are open to talk with like-minded groups, like-minded parties, like-minded supporters. So that is the official line that the High Command has given us the mandate. Last meeting we had in Delhi, that was a mandate given by the High Command, including Chidambaram ji, myself, all leaders were there, and that was a mandate given.
So what happens to these parties like Goa Pod and NCP who are primarily again trying to interact and come out with this solution?
No. See, I don't want to name any political party now or any particular individual also, but we are in talks, and it should be in the interest of it should be interest of Goa, and to give a good stable government. We can't have this kind of reputation again, where this instability leads to what? Corruption. Because to form a government, if you are basing it on corruption, then the government itself will become corrupt later, because that is the way the government has been formed. So we want a proper, stable, which will work in the interest of Goa, and we can give a good government which can develop Goa. There are so many issues. So on that plank we want to work.
Would you clarify on this? How you are not going about, as far as there is a news about Regina and all, that he might join our...
See, Congress has got leaders, Congress has got in every constituency, where we are strong, we have got a lot of competition going on for every constituency. In most of the constituencies, we have, actually, if you look at it, all the other political parties are trying to encroach upon the Congress, because they don't have their faces, they don't have their candidates. So they are saying, they are trying to talk to Congress aspirants, they are talking to Congress ZP members, they are even talking to Congress councillors. They have gone down to that extent. And what are they talking? They are saying, we will give you 15 crores, we will give you 10 crores, we will give you 1 crore, we will give you 25 lakhs, we will give you 15 lakhs. Money is being offered like this.
To these people also?
All these people, this is the approach of these political parties, which have come to divide the secular vote, these outfits which have come to divide the secular vote. Their approach is what? We will fund, we will give you money, we will give you all these things, come and join us. Because so far nobody has joined, and they are getting more and more desperate. So they are talking in where is this money coming from? See, again, what is this source of this money, and what kind of a government can these people give when they are trying to buy, purchase? They don't have their own workers, they don't have their own leaders. They are trying to hire, purchase, and auction. It's like, okay, come, we will give you more money, we'll give you. The more they delay, the more the price is going up. So this is completely, they will destroy Goa.
No, but why your leaders are going there? Because of money?
No. See, I'm not, who's going? There are some people who will go. In every basket, there will be some bad apples, Now, we are a big family. So in this big family, everybody, some are good, some are very good, some are average, some are okay, some will be bad also. Because this is a political party.
Yeah,
So anyway, I don't want to get into a conversation, but I'm just trying to say. Any other question?
Sir, you are talking about political parties who want to divide the secular vote. So you are talking about the Trinamool Congress.
100%. Trinamool Congress, AAP, both of them have got that same agenda.
Which parties are offering money, sir?
These parties only.
Trinamool
These are the parties which are coming now suddenly, coming with hoardings everywhere, coming with they don't have any. Or for what reason are they coming? What is the intention of these parties?
Are you scared about this party?
See, in a democracy, there's nothing to be scared about. In a democracy, we fight elections, we win elections, we lose elections. That is democracy. We have, see, this is not nobody's personal property. They have every right to come. I'm not saying they don't have a right to come. But come in a healthy manner. Do politics in a healthy way. You can't come and say, I will make you CM face, I will make you minister, I will give you MLA ticket, I will give you this, I will give you so much money. You come and join. You know, this is inducement. So this is, what kind of a government can they give when they're doing this kind of politics even before becoming anything? So you can imagine the backing of these people. These are being backed by, I would say ultimately being backed by people who want to weaken the secular front. This is being done by big people, ultimately wanting to see that the secular forces are divided. There's a big conspiracy here. There's a big, not only here in Goa, across the country, there's a big conspiracy to see that if Congress is weakened, then it can become one authoritarian country, state in this country. And that is the politics being played out across the country today. So that is what we are fighting, and we will fight.
That's Congress.
No, I've answered many questions. Anybody else wants to ask me? No. I've asked many. I've asked me 10 questions of yours. Tell me.
One question तुम्ही जॉब्सांचेर कमेंट
I'm not running. I've answered many.
की जर कोण
मागीर interaction आसा.
जाल्यार तुम्ही तेंका सांगा म्हणून तुमचो कितें स्टेप आसतलो हेजेर?
Okay.
तेन्ना एलिगेशन्स करता की जॉब्सांचे पयशे घेतात ते कितें सांगता की तुम्ही तेंका